Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Confirm you have account access and admin rights so changes take effect. Backup mail, export a PSD or enable server-side archive to avoid data loss. Once done, identify the exact Outlook build and update channel. Make sure you know whether it's Office 365 Click-to-Run or MSI. Now open Control Panel or Office Account Settings and note the current version. With backup verified and version noted, you're ready to start the rollback process immediately. You now perform the core steps. If you have Click-to-Run Office, use the Office deployment tool to specify the older build and channel, then run the configuration. If MSI installed, use Programs and Features to uninstall and reinstall the desired version. If your tenant enforces the new UI, change the Exchange/Outlook toggle in the Admin Center or apply a group policy. Make sure to close Outlook during installs and verify the build number after each action so you know the rollback applied correctly. You finish by restarting the PC and opening Outlook to confirm the old interface and full mailbox sync. If mail folders are missing, re-import your PSD or reconnect the archive you exported. Make sure add-ins are compatible with the older build and re-enable them one at a time. If the rollback fails or UI persists, clear Outlook cache and profiles, then try a controlled reinstall. If managed by IT, ask admins to remove tenant-level feature rollout. That single step often...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.